This is the Tech Podcast Network. If it's tech, it's here.
Hi guys, this is Jon Wurm from F5Live.tv, part of TPN.tv and the Tech Podcast Networks, bringing you continued CES 2012 coverage. We're at the Vivitek booth. They've got a lot of cool projectors and interesting technology on display. So we're going to go inside and talk to Christopher Yang, and he's going to tell us a little bit more about what they've got in store.
CES 2012 coverage is sponsored in part by GoDaddy.com. Get 25% off their 4th generation hosting by using promo code CES2. Find more GoDaddy deals at tpn.tv.
Hi guys, I'm here with Christopher Yang from Vivitek, and they've got a lot of cool stuff going on in the booth here. He's going to go ahead and enlighten us on some of what's going on.
Well, thank you guys for having us here today. Basically, Vivitek here today has brought our Qumi line of projectors. We are a full-line DLP projection manufacturing company, but Qumi has really taken off for us. We had our Q2, which was announced about a year ago here at CES. And then this year, what we're bringing is the next generation of the Qumi product, which is our Q5. Behind me is kind of like some information on the product, but because it's so powerful and so versatile, we're showcasing in many different lights and what it can do. One behind you is kind of, we're taking a couple of these Qumis, putting it and doing edge blending and double stacking together to show how powerful, because normally it's being this kind of application would be handled by a really powerful projector. To do that. So that's how good the Qumis can be. But behind me is a couple of options that the Qumi can do. It is twice the amount of brightness than our first generation one. This can output up to about 500 lumens. It does native 720p high definition resolution. And then it has all the same inputs as a computer-based projector would have, but this can be a full-on entertainment piece. It's got an full HDMI port that you can plug into like a gaming console, as well as a lot of the portable devices that are out there on the marketplace these days, like a smartphone or a tablet, which is a huge area that we are deeply looking into because it is so important in everybody's life these days. The Qumi product would be a perfect companion to those devices where you can share information, pictures, videos, presentations right on there. So it's a really nice companion for that sense. Plus, it's a great piece to go along with gaming consoles. You can have a projector or a picture and play games almost in any room that has like a white wall. And you're not limited to the screen size like some of the locked TVs are.
Yeah, I definitely like the gaming aspect of that. Now, as far as application goes, do you see these products used commercially and for the consumers alike?
Yes, from a commercial, from a business standpoint, you can use it. Salespeople would love to do presentations with it because it is so portable and compact, and it makes it so simple to use. All you gotta do is turn it on. It is a lot more rugged than your standard projector because it has LED technology. With LED, you get better color, and so naturally it becomes a good projector for watching videos. You know, in an entertainment aspect, you can hook it up to your cable box and watch movies with it, or DVD players and 3D movies and stuff like that. And so it's a great piece.
That's awesome. I'm excited, and you should be too. We're going to take a quick break now and go to one of our sponsors, and we'll be back. Whether you've got 1,000 downloads or 35 million downloads like we do here at TPN, you need a web hosting service that gives you the utmost confidence in their ability to deliver on your volume. With GoDaddy 4G hosting, you get exactly that. For $4.99 to $9.99 a month, you get cluster servers. If one goes down, you've got 8 more backing you up. And right now, you can get a special 25% off by going to GoDaddy.com and entering the promo code CES2 in the checkout. Go to GoDaddy.com and enter the promo code CES2 in the checkout. So you were talking about some of the 500 lumens brightness. Using LED, I mean, how much heat do your units usually put out in general?
Well, they do put out a little bit of heat. I mean, that's just natural. What we did was that we tried to compact this whole package together really small. So but it's very, very portable. That was the key area that we want to focus on. Most of the times when you look at projectors, you look at small portable ones, ones that can be held in the hand, they aren't powerful enough. They're just not the right one, but they are portable, which is nice. Now, oftentimes you look at projectors which do have power and performance, but they tend to be a little bit too big for a consumer to carry around. So this package has the best of both worlds, portability, both, and performance. And so it can create a great presentation and great interest, a great video for the person that's doing the presentation, and also it can be portable because we also are offering a line of accessories with it. You'll see over here behind me, we've had it connected to a couple of devices, such as like a battery dock, and you can actually adapt it on right to the Qumi on the bottom, and you can move it around to any location. The other thing is that we offer a secondary, more powerful battery dock where you can charge your Qumi and a tablet or a smartphone at the same time, so you can have a portable ecosystem with you and shine on any white wall surface or anywhere you desire. Even for camping and stuff, it would be working out well.
Okay. Awesome. Just out of curiosity, to our left here, we have a very large projection on the wall.
Right.
The system that's running that, about how much would that run you?
Well, this one is still one of our conceptual phases. So we are using 6 Qumi projectors, and I think it would be something that would be more customized toward the customer to what they need. They can take the amount of projectors and the size of the image. For something like this, I mean, it could, depending on how complex the consumer wanted to get or the customer wanted to get, it can run in ranges from, with 6 Qumis, probably about, that's about $6,000 right there in itself. So it can be a tremendous and powerful system, and it's very versatile too. So it's more customized and depending on what the customer needs.
Awesome. Well, now your consumers know what they have to strive for.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for taking the time to speak to us with us today. You obviously have a lot of cool things going on. I see why there's so many people in and out of the booth all the time.
Yeah. Thank you guys very much for having us here today, and welcome you guys to check out our website, www.vivitechusa.com. Keep you up to date on all our product information as well as just new products coming out from us.
Awesome. Thanks.
Thank you.
Well, we just spoke to Christopher Yang about some of the cool products that Vivitek has here at their CES 2012 booth. Be sure to check the live feed on tpn.tv and f5live.tv for the continued CES 2012 coverage.
This is the Tech Podcast Network. If it's tech, it's here.